This machine is the Pro 2 shoulder press. It works the shoulder or deltoid muscles, the front, middle, and a small portion of the back. It also works the triceps at the back of the arm. This machine has some really important applications to the real world because of its pushing action. It allows us to strengthen the muscles that allow us to push something up overhead, putting something on a shelf, lifting the kids up, or also for sporting situations. To get somebody set up on this machine, we start by getting the seat in the correct position. You'll see that the handle is just down here on the right-hand side of the machine. We lift it up and adjust ourselves into the position for starting. This should be such that these handles are just above our shoulder line. We then also want to put on the correct starting resistance. So using the pin, find the correct starting resistance that you want to work with. Also, if you need them, there is some partial resistance levers on the side here that you can use also. We're ready to get going. Our chin is up or neutral, our chest is high and our stomach is braced. Keeping the shoulders down out of the ears, hold the handles in this front position here. Keeping the elbows directly underneath the handles, we push up and away so the elbow follows the line of the handle to top range, keeping the elbow slightly bent, and control the handles back down to ear height. Push up and away so the elbow follows the line of the handle to top range and control back down to ear height. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Some of the common mistakes that people make when using this machine is they will start too deep into the range of motion. So they'll have the seat up too high and the handles will work too deep. Now what happens here is this muscle, the deltoid, it's still really strong. But what happens is the smaller muscles that stabilize our shoulder joint, they can't do their job properly. And it increases the likelihood that we end up with some impingement injury in the shoulder area there. Another common mistake that people will make is that we'll actually not have the elbow directly underneath the handle. This then pushes into a rotational force, which is also undesirable for us. You can also, on this machine, use the front handle here. The front handle, it's not just for variation, it does significantly change the activity. When we move from here to here, it actually increases how stable our shoulder joint is. It puts a little bit more emphasis through the front part of the deltoid and to the upper chest area. So, in this position, the hands are slightly forward, or in the forward position, the elbows are directly underneath, our chin is up, chest high, stomach braced, shoulders are down, and we push up and away so the elbow follows the line of the handle to top range again, and controlling back down just around chin height in this range of motion. Pushing up and away so the elbow follows the line of the handle to top range, and controlling back down just to chin height. To design a balanced program, the exercise that you want to include, which works the opposite joint actions, is a lat pull down.